What's up YouTube, FJ Firefighter here, and we are at Cars and Coffee. And as you can see, I got this nice truck, and there's a couple cars down there that I took some pictures of. Sorry. What? And then, see, we have a Challenger RT right here. Look at that engine. Nice. And then, we got some other cars. Right? What is this? See, look at this. Subaru WRX. That's like Rally 4. That's a rally. That's like a Rallycross edition right there. It's got roof racks though. And you got some people over there. And the Chevy I wanted to show you. See, look. Subaru. Hold up. Right there. It says Subaru. See, look. Subaru. Drive fresh. It's like an off thing of Subway, and you got this one and this one. There's just like so many nice cars here. And there's a Subaru next to Toyota. Yes, as you heard my cousin PC Gaming Dude, it's at Michelin headquarters over there. There's just so many nice cars here. Look at the Subaru. That's a true Rally Crush car right there. This one. I'm sorry about that. You got a Mini Cooper over there that's been lowered. You got this Subaru with driven daily tires on it. Subarus, just a whole line of Subarus. Over here you got a Mercury, a very nice one too. Yeah, see, PC Gaming Dude, what's up? See, this is a Mercury. Ooh, look at that. And that yellow car over there is a Cobra.
What?
Cobra. I'm making a video. See? We kind of get like the Cobra sign just hanging there.
Watch out behind.
I'm making a video.
Or not.
And there's a Mustang over there.
You need to be aware of.
I'm being aware.
That's right.
Actually, that is.
It's got this lifted Jeep right here.
It's like a Jeep yard. Oh, there's a Toyota. I feel
Over here,
They've been lifted.
in other words, Willie's.
It's kind of hot out here. See? They've been lifted. You got these tools. See?
There's a very rare Toyota pickup here.
Well, Nolan, watch out for that door there.
Are those after?
And you got
Don't
this.
run to the door.
Alright, and then there's an Audi TT right here. That's a Mustang, a very old Mustang. And then another one right there. These are like the old cars too. Yes, very good. This is a Camaro. This
This looks awesome.
is
This
a Camaro.
is the definition of awesome.
Look at that engine right there. As you could hear, that was an engine driven. Look at this. It's just beautiful.
I love this bike style.
Isn't this a 72? I think it is. It looks kind of like
71 or 70.
Like if you ever seen the movie Transformers, guys, it looks like that Bumblebee from like before he switched over. Where'd Nolan go?
Love those.
Last time I saw him, he was looking at that Toyota pickup over there. Ah, jeez.
Hey, guys.
They're looking at the Mercury. Now this is a Camaro right here. That's the Grand National. Dominic drove that in the 4th movie, I think it was, guys. It's an old Chevrolet pickup. Another Audi TT.
This is like the
But
best thing.
that's the same one, guys. Sorry.
That's
Those
the.
down there.
Oh, there's
You
the
got that
Chevelle
covered.
SS. That's what's on.
Yes, that is a Chevelle SS right there.
What car is that?
The motorcycles. See, look at this Chevelle.
There's a
There's a Camaro
Camaro.
SS.
SS right there. Camaro SS.
I wanted to get out front. Is that where they're at?
The exotic cars? Exotic cars are nice.
Today,
Nolan, where were you?
making a video.
I was making a video, bro.
Cars and
Oh, last time I saw you, you were all the way down there, now, and then
I
you
can actually
disappeared.
see you guys.
That's a beaut right there.
making a video of me taking pictures.
Look, it's got little dice in it. See?
Hey, look, it's all red.
Dice. It's red.
Guys, that should not limit
There's a
the
Corvette
time.
down there.
You could get it.
You're fine, Emily. You're uncomfortable, huh?
And here's some Mustangs. Some more Mustangs. See? More Mustangs. What?
That's Corvette.
What?
Alright guys, and here over here, this is the engine to the Corvette. Isn't that nice? Nolan, don't stick it inside. Come on. An Audi's coming.
You don't get that comfortable.
These things are expensive.
No. That's like $100,000.
Over there is a nice Corvette. Oh, what am I doing? Heck yeah, guys, we're going to see some Ferraris. Here's Corvette. Then can we loop around to the muscle cars?
Yeah, no. I can't. No.
Buick.
Hey, after you're going to get lost over there.
Corvette.
Don't talk to the
It's Corvette. Yes. Nice Shelby. Yes. And here we got a Plymouth.
What is that?
It's got a little skull down there.
Actually, 3.
It's like a monster thing, and it's got eyes on its little flips.
It's on
Oh, that's
the
cool.
carburetor's caught.
Look.
Can't punch bug me because we're not in a vehicle.
Yep. Logan, don't get too close. Logan, your head's like right inside it.
It's not the engine, it's at the back.
Yeah. See,
It's like the
Logan, that's pretty close right there. It's like all up in there. Then you got a Cougar, a Dodge Challenger. Look at this Camaro, guys. It's a ZL1. Very nice car. Challenger.
Viper.
Yes. It's a very nice Viper. It's got a Challenger over there. Viper. There's another SS over there.
That thing.
That's an old Chevy.
Straight off the lot.
Yeah, that is.
Look at that Viper. Yes. Doggy. Look at that Charger. Super Track Pack Challenger. It says Game Over right there, and then on there it says Team Reaper. Alright, then we got this Charger
Well, that is Trans
right
Am.
here.
That is Trans Am.
That's not Trans Am.
I'm stupid.
This, and here's another Camaro. My dad used to own one of these actually. Here's some Porsches. Charger, Challenger, another Challenger. That's a, oh wait, there's a Charger over there, that red one. There's a Mustang. Here's another Camaro SS. Get it close to the engine.
A Chevrolet Chevelle SS.
Yes, it's a, correction, it is a Chevelle. Right there,
Another awesome carburetor.
by Chevrolet. This is one of those old cars. This is a Ford car, and it used to race. And,
I know.
wait, over there is a Lotus, you guys. There's a guy in the
Lotus.
Sorry, there was a person in the way.
I just want to take it on because I do believe this is the 1920s.
No, this is the
Look,
1840s.
anime car.
Goggles and a scarf, dude.
These are 1840s.
Well, probably that's the 1940s.
I mean, oh, it's a super sport. Yeah. There's another Camaro Z. That's a Z28 over there. You got blue Super B right there.
It is equipped with a V8 engine.
See, Super B. And here's another old Ford. It's a pickup truck. See, you guys, look. This is the Lotus I was talking to you about.
I'm
Doesn't
so
matter.
glad I
Shut
didn't
up.
bring my fake dog.
Shut up. See, look. And there's anime. It says samurai. Wait, shimurai.
I don't know. It's anime. It's Japanese. I don't know. how to
Subaru.
pronounce it.
Got. It's just all that anime.
I was gonna get one of those.
A Lotus.
Yep.
You'd have to have the top off.
They're not that expensive, actually.
No, they're not.
Challengers over there.
Could you get down?
Camaro. That's Impala.
You can get down.
That'd be the perfect size car for me.
Mhm.
You have that thing recording all the time.
Not all the time, just right now.
I was talking to Hunter. You're gonna make everybody sick.
The only reason I didn't get it was because that was the only reason.
There's some cars on there. Oh, do you guys hear that? That's one of the exotic cars. This is an exotic car. Just, you know. They got exotic cars revving their engines. Logan, just because they
This
can.
all the time. I mean, like that kind of dog.
Look at this. Oh, the exotic. Yes. We're entering the exotic cars. Corvettes are actually dangerous. Look, a Ferrari. A new Porsches. The Batmobile. Corvette.
There's a rat
There's a
rod.
Corvette right there.
There's some.
Yes, they got the Batmobile, guys.
What?
I see that.
Oh my gosh, they got the Batmobile. That is so awesome.
The Batmobile. An old racing car. It's a big problem.
No chance I'll get the best photo.
Corvette.
Dude, this is like the classic TV show Batmobile. This is really what there is in the classic
Here, the Batmobile.
Yes. There's a Mercedes-Benz over
Original
there.
1960s.
Whoa, guys.
Batmobile here.
Look at that Escalade over there. Do you guys see the Escalade?
Yeah.
Yes. Logan, watch out. Yes, go. Just... There's a turbo over there.
Picture of number 7.
Turbo.
See that green bar? Number 7.
Somebody brought a sweet Firebird.
Yes, there's a car right there. You guys see that? Not the people, the car. That red car, that's a nice car.
Yeah. What's that green?
Alright, well this is the last car you guys are going to be able to see. Alright, so it's a Dodge Challenger, a very nice one. Mopar. Alright. Well, that's all I got since I'm running out of time, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. And make sure to subscribe to this video and hit that like button. Alright, bye.